Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer games to another account on Epic Games. Alright, so let's begin. Firstly, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once it loads, you'll be taken to the main page where you can view all the games you own as well as those available for purchase in the Epic Games Store. If you're looking to buy a game for a friend or transfer a game to another account, here's what you need to know. Currently, the Epic Games Store does not support transferring games between accounts or purchasing games as gifts for other accounts. This feature is available on some other platforms, but not on Epic Games. If you have already purchased a game and wish to share it with someone else, there is no direct method to transfer it or gift it through the Epic Games Store. However, if you want your friend to play a game you own, you can log out of your account on your computer and let them log into their account on the same computer. This allows them to install and play the game from your account. Note that this method involves sharing your account credentials and allowing access to your library, which might not be ideal for everyone. Unfortunately, until the Epic Games Store introduces features for gifting or transferring games, this workaround is the only available option. Hopefully, this guide provides clarity on the current limitations and options available on the Epic Games Store. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.